Hello champs! Welcome to the quiz Papaya.
Only the cleverest can name the animals across easy, medium, hard, and impossible levels.
Let's start with the easy level. What is this animal? That's a bear. Can you guess this animal's name? It's a monkey. Coco is hungry. Can you show the way? Do you know what this animal is? It's a starfish. Tell me, what animal is this? That's a bulldog. Think fast. What is a dog's baby called? Can you say this animal's name? It's a seahorse. What do you think this animal is? It's a zebra. Can you identify this animal? That's an earthworm. Test your eyes. Which worm is different? Medium level now. Things are heating up. Do you recognize this animal? It's a snail. Can you name this animal? It's a sheep. Can you decode this scrambled word? Hit that subscribe button now. What animal do you think this is? That's a deer. Can you tell what this animal is? It's a jellyfish. Only sharp eyes can guess this shadow. What's the name of this animal? That's a cobra. Can you identify which animal this is? It's a donkey. Do you know the name of this animal? It's a panda. Who gets the cuddled, panda or koala? Brace yourself, hard level is here. Can you guess what this animal is called? That's a sheepdog. Tell me, do you know this animal? It's a lion. The odd lion is hiding. Can you find it? Can you say which animal this is? It's a catfish. What animal comes to your mind here? That's a peacock. Peacock loves what? Choose wisely. Do you know this animal's name? It's a butterfly. Can you recognize what animal this is? It's a polar bear. Can you guess which animal this might be? That's a hammerhead shark. Help Nemo find his way to the water. The impossible level, only geniuses can conquer this. Tell me, what's this animal called? It's a black panther. Do you know this animal? It's a goat. Unscramble the letters. What's the word? You got it. It's crocodile. Can you identify what animal this is? That's a tiger. What is this animal's name? It's a caterpillar. Can you spot the animal by its shadow? Can you tell which animal this one is? It's a dolphin. Do you recognize what animal this is? That's a scorpion. Can you guess what animal this could be? It's a goldfish. Pick wisely, lose your gold or a simple like. Enjoyed the quiz? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more.